Hello besties, today we are making a dessert. This dessert is one of my favorites on all I have made in my life. Guys, I will repeat this again and again and again. This dessert have only 4 ingredients. What you will need is strawberries, crackers, whipping cream, and butter. That's all. That's all. This makes like whenever you want to make something good, you don't need anything big for something to look good. So here I will show you how I make this. Stay tuned. And also, lastly, I will show you how I enjoyed my Valentines with my beloved family. Stay there, stay where you are, and keep watching. So this is me, guys. This is my decorations. This is my family. And what I want to say is all the food you will see in this video. And if you want to know how to make it, please just go on my YouTube channel, type Riziki's Kitchen. If you wanna search for meatball, just type Riziki's Kitchen, how to make meatballs. So you can type anything you want and it will show you how I made it. Thank you so much all for watching. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Sorry we couldn't show you how we started eating our food. We prayed and then after praying we started eating because the kids, they were already ready to start eating. See you. Bye bye.